Welcome to Bradford Road, Birstall, a truly individual 2-bedroom property with the added bonus of an occasional room in the loft, as you will see. Absolutely stunning interiors, very Instagrammable. Please allow us to show you around. I'm sure you'll agree, an absolutely beautiful property. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to view, give us a call 01924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thank you.